Hello, I'm Jeff Roulé, a professor of mathematics education and ICT use in teaching and learning at all subjects and grade levels here at the Faculty of Education at Queen's University in Ontario, Canada. My first introduction to online learning came while I was doing graduate work at University of Toronto and took some courses online. This is while I was teaching in Northern Ontario, a 10-hour drive away from University of Toronto. We were using a somewhat primitive system, a computer conferencing system in which you had to use phone lines to actually access, but it still worked very well and supported the discussion in these graduate courses. And my interest was sparked in this tool for helping groups of people collaboratively build their knowledge, and I started doing research back at that time in this. In particular, I focused on the interaction between individual contributions and how they impacted on each other and built towards some solution or some resolution or some collective idea of the particular situation. In this, I used the ISM, or what's called the Interact System Model, developed by Fisher originally to analyze interactions between contributions in face-to-face discussions and problem-solving sessions with small groups, but it worked quite well in an analysis of the online conversations. I've continued doing that research over the years in my own work as a professor here at the faculty, where I've taught graduate courses online using web-based learning management systems such as Moodle, and have continued to use the ISM to analyze the interactions between contributions, and added to that the use of complexity science ideas to see how contributions reinforce each other, or in some cases contradict each other and lead to some intense discussion and building of new and stronger ideas. I've lately been doing, though, a lot of this work strictly within the area of mathematics, using two sites that we've developed. One, Math Towers, for grades 6 to 10, which sort of has a fantasy type environment for students in which they're given a collective challenge, and the idea is collective, and provided with also a communication tool where they can share their ideas about this challenge and together build towards a solution. And for senior secondary and university and college level students, a site called Collab Math, in which we've combined the power of a wiki with GeoGebra, an online mathematics tool, and screencasting to make it easy for students, or relatively easy for students, to contribute their ideas. In both these environments, Math Towers and Collab Math, the idea is that the students together investigate a particular mathematical situation and build towards, by making individual contributions which are shared in a central space and discussed reacted to in a central space, build towards a common view of a new concept or mathematical idea.